You've entered your Dyson and this ring has come out of it. It's broken. I'm going to show you how to replace it within a minute. Firstly, remove the bin. Then we're going to undo this screw, which is a T8 Torx screw. Now the bit that's scary. You've got to get the old ring out. I'm going to show you in this position because this is the easiest way to do it. Okay, we're pressing up with your left hand and we're pulling the top with your right hand, and it unclips like that, and just pull it out. I'm going to show you that in slow motion. So if you look, I'm pressing up with the left and then pulling with the right. Get your new ring and we're putting in the screw side first, and then same procedure again, just push up a little bit, but we're pushing in this time. That's it, the repair's complete. I hope you found this helpful. Please do stick around for a minute just to show you what actually happens when you're filming on YouTube. Go bloody mother. Lost the screw.